How many times have people gone, oh, Henry, can you tell me? Someone said to me, Henry, give me the top 10 stocks. Okay. Can we anticipate this stock? When is the next time to get into it? Absolutely, of course we can. When it comes back to that level there. Look, bounce once went up, twice went up, 3 times went up, 4 times went up, 5 times went up. The idea is now have a look at it. This is flat as a pancake, so this is not lost. This is not hot. This does not go on the list. Does not go on the list. If we look at 888.L, that now goes on our list. Now this one isn't trending as nice. Isn't it trending as nicely? But if it comes back to this area, I'll be massively interested. I'll zoom out and have a quick look, see if there's any other levels or areas that may be interesting. So if I get a horizontal level here, I can see one there, bounce, bounce, bounce. Okay, so if this pulls back into this area, it's now something that I'm massively interested in. Look, see that there? If it pulls back anywhere there, I'm now massively interested in it. What's the gap here? I'm assuming that's earnings reports, and the earnings reports was good, okay? Can you show us how to draw those lines? Yes, very easily. Well, I'm in Pro Charts here at the present moment. So look, this one here was trending up nicely. We had a big spike. It was flat as a pancake, and then we had a spike. So this is a sideways market. So it wouldn't go on the list, but we can edit this. So see the little small pencil. If you click on the little small pencil here, I go to horizontal level. I then go to the thickness of these lines, and I can now potentially drop it there and work out where the top and the bottom of this is. So I go to horizontal level again, and I find out that that's the bottom. Now, the ideal scenario for this to trade is this. So I've got a segment. So off the bottom, bounces up, and if it retests, what do we do when it retests here? We buy again. Okay, why? Because it's bounced once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. If it comes back to here, we look to buy again.